creating fear and discomfort among officers who feel they must avoid her to prevent issues. Naku po. There is a growing concern among officers and staff regarding the presence and actions of a civilian individual who holds no official position in the AFP, yet appears to exercise influence within military spaces. This individual is the spouse of the current AFP Chief of Staff. Naku po, patay tayo dyan. Sana naman hindi ho ito totoo. Hindi ho maganda ito. AFP Chief of Staff, sana po hindi ho ito totoo dahil nakaka-degrade, diba, ng ating moral. Bumababa ang moral ng ating mga kasundaluhan. On multiple occasions, this person has been seen attending official AFP activities, meetings, both local and foreign trips without a defined role, speaking harshly to staff and officers. Naku po, patay tayo dito. This action, whether intentional or not, undermine the chain of command, affect morale, and create confusion among personnel. Influence in the AFP must always come from the rank, mandate, and duty, not from personal relationship. Naku po pa. Yan. Another concern that cannot be ignored is the very visible display of luxurious lifestyle. Naku po, patay kang bata ka. Naku. Luxurious lifestyle by someone without an official government position or known source of income. In an institution funded by public money, such display naturally raise question and affect public trust, especially when our soldiers are expecting to live with discipline, restraint, and modesty. Ay meron pong maimportanteng email na pinadala sa akin po at itong email na ito ay nung ating pong pinagtanong-tanong at ating po itong ni-research ay ito po ay lehitimong email mula sa isang tauhan ng ating Armed Forces of the Philippines. Naku po, patay tayo dito, matindi ito. Babasahin ko sa inyo yung email pero wag ho kayong wag ho kayong kukurap dahil napaka-importante ho, breaking news ho ito.